Hey guys, I'm over here at Gas Axe Chop Shop with Tim Dixon, and he's wanting me to paint this utility bed to go on a Chevy C10 truck. And this is what it looks like before we get started. Anyway, this is it. Before we start putting any paint on it, this is it. I'll keep you posted as we progress on this project. Have a good one. See you later. Okay guys, I got it painted like Tim wanted. It's going on a patina truck. So we're not, this is the part that goes up next to the cab of the truck, the rear part of the cab, I mean. So he just wants it patinaed, and that's the same way I like it. Should match the truck pretty good. Well, put the color on it that he wanted, and put satin clear on it after we cleaned it up where the paint would stick. There was already runs in the paint, but that was already there before me. I got really lucky. I didn't have any runs. So we got to do all this and the insides, and got to put texture in the bed. And I was going to show you something real quick, if I can. This I guess I call it a bread truck, but I was going to show you what all's been done to it. I'll go to this side, maybe see a little bit better. It's going to be a hoss of a truck. It's going to be a hoss of a truck. Going to be lowered on airbags, and going to have this big old V8 in it. I'm not really sure what size it is. Corey, what size motor is this? Anyway, I'll make more videos of this as time goes on. Appreciate you watching. Hope y'all's having a good day. I am, and I'll see you later.